Today I wanted to introduce you to a little plant that's been getting a lot of attention lately in the shade garden here. This is Campanula punctata, and also known as cherry bells, this particular one, or bellflower. You can see its common name is bellflower because of this bell-shaped flower that it produces in late spring. Now this particular one is kind of this rosy pink, and actually as it kind of forms a clump in the shade garden, it sort of reminds me of foxgloves. However, it's not related to digitalis at all. But it will spread as a rhizome, or it might reseed depending on its conditions and how happy it is. Now it does like your typical average soil that is well drained, but what it really needs is more shade, especially in our Oklahoma climates, because that heat can really melt it in the summertime. So make sure to put it in shade. We have it here in our shade garden at the Botanic Garden. The other thing is it's hardy from zone 5 to 7, so we're right there in that sweet spot for its hardiness zone. Now there is a white cultivar and also a pinker cultivar. The white one is called Alba, and you can see that on campus behind the Endeavor building up at OSU. So another little gem that you might want to think about adding to your shade garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.